Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to make photo negative on CapCut, add a negative effect. So for us to be able to begin, just head first onto CapCut, then right after, add in the photo that you want to turn onto a negative. So I have one here on my end already, but if you haven't, just head here on Media onto the upper left corner of the screen, click onto Import so that you could choose the photo that you want to add. Right after, we need to drag the material here to start. So we're going to drag this photo in here, or simply click to this blue button in here to add a track. Then right after, head here onto Adjustments, onto the upper part corner of the screen, and then add a custom adjustment. So do the same thing, click onto this blue icon to add a track. Now, once you have added that, just head here onto the right side corner of the screen and click onto curves. So what you need to do in here is you'll just need to drag this down and drag the other corner onto up. Or what you'll need to do is you'll just need to go ahead and invert the graph in here. So do the same thing to all of the graphs in here. And once you're done, you should be able to find in your photo onto a negative effect already. So you'll just need to go ahead and trim this. And that is just basically it how you make a photo negative on CapCut. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.